Hello everyone. Now again back. I will back day 6. First, I am going to introduce myself. Hello guy. My name is Monu Kumar, and I hail from Nalanda, Bihar. I recently completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Arya College, Jaipur, Rajasthan. During my academic pursuits, I gained knowledge in Java, Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, MySQL, with a keen focus on data structure and algorithm. Prior to this, I completed my uh, secondary education and higher secondary education from my hometown, Nalanda, Bihar. So, in addition to my academic pursuits, I worked on some projects. So, my first project that I developed during my academic period is bank management system. Okay, so b- bank management system with database connectivity. Yeah, and another project that name is journal application. It is secure and efficient note taking application during developing bank management system journal application. I also focused and in solving data structure and algorithm, uh, so that I achieved some wedges in achiever wedge in hash table, and I also 0.1% top 1% coder in Naukri Code 360. Yeah, so if I talk, my hobbies are uh, s- uh, cricket, football, table tennis, and talking with a stranger guy. So it's all about my hobby. So thank you, guy, for listening my introduction. Yeah. So moving towards my journey today journey. So I enjoyed very much. I am little bit tired now, but I am very excited to share my today journey. What I did in whole day till now. Now 1 p.m. 47 minutes. Now it's happening. So I wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock. After that, I do my regular activity: uh, cleaning of myself and my room. Yeah. After that, I decide to do exercise. You maybe watched my 30-minute beginner daily regular yoga. So yeah, I did 30-minute regular yoga in the morning. After that, I started my learning till 9 a.m. in the morning. So I learned 2 hour DSA. After that, I decide to go eat. Yeah, now it's 11 a.m. till I sold DSA. So before starting DSA, I eat some uh, cucumber. So this is good, helpful. It's energized after eating that. So that's why I'm able to learn 2 hour DSA. Yeah, for moving to next after 11 a.m. I decide to learn. Java. So that I learned Java for 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So I learned Java 1.5 hour by Durga Soft, Durga Sir, Durga Sir Software Solution. Yeah, today I learned how can we call a parent class constructor during creating the child class. So yeah, implicitly called parent class constructor. So yeah, there is a myth. If we called, if we that calling us constructor make the class object. No, calling a constructor means not creating an object. Calling a constructor means initializing the instance variable. That's why we call a constructor. So based on the child class requirement, we call parent class constructor. Yeah, so I learned this concept. Uh, if you want to more explanation, so I am going to explain you a little bit more. Yeah. Calling of parent class constructor implicitly during creating object of child class. Parent class constructor is going to execute for child class object. It means when we are going to create object of child class, no any object is going to create for parent class of the child. Yeah, get it? Got it? I am going to explain again. Means parent class constructor is going to execute for child class object. Need to focus. Parent class constructor going to call for a child class object. Okay, for child class object. It means when we are going to create object of child class. Okay, listen. Going to create object of child class. Yeah, then no any object is going to create for parent class. Got it? Yeah, this is the concept I learned, and I learned the difference between abstract class and interface class. I told you I learned previously, but now I am learned a new concept. uh, can we declare a construct class always uh, in instead of creating an interface class? No. If you have all method are abstract, then must prefer creating a interface class, because your object creation going to slow if you are going to create a abstract class, because you do not need to call parent class object during creating object of child class. Do not need to call parent class constructor, because all method are abstract, and yeah, so no any instance variable is present. So why are you going to create abstract class, bro? So you definitely will go to create interface class. Okay. So after that, I learned what. Yeah. After that, I go. Finally, I go. So yeah, I'm going to share what problem I solved in DSA. Yeah, I solved a problem. That name is okay. I forget again because I'm very tired. I'm not going to thinking. I'm little bit tired. Rotation a string. This problem name. Yeah, and another in night I showed DSA is checking to a string is anagram or not. So I am covered just here. I'm not going to tell any other. So yeah, after that I learned uh, in the afternoon I learned 1 hour pork, 1 hour. Yeah, again sorry, I learned a prerequisite of a spring boot. What we required based on interview purpose. I learned. Okay, in the night I learned half an hour Java, and after that I learned core concept, core subject of our CSE OS operating system. I learned what is operating system. Now I'm going to tell about operating system. So, tell what is operating system. Operating system is a kind of interface between human and machine. So, so function of operating system is uh, manage processes, manage file system, manage memory management, input output function, security and protection. Yeah, this kind of function is going to perform by operating system. After that I learned about these five. Yeah, so it's all about operating system I learned today. Now, in finally night, I solved one problem again. I told you previously in DSA. After that, I posted on LinkedIn what I did today. So it's all about my today, brother. Guys, everyone, have a great night. See you again. Bye bye. Jai Sri Ram. जय भोलेनाथ. हर हर महादेव. सभी सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. We will meet again in next discussion.